Hello, welcome. I'm Lindsay. Today we're making Butterfinger Fudge. It's a delicious, easy 4-ingredient recipe that's perfect for making with kids. The craveable fudge is made with chocolate and butterscotch fudge marbled together and stuffed with Butterfinger chocolate bars. Here's the 4 ingredients you need to make it. Let's start by unwrapping 4 Butterfinger chocolate bars. Roughly chop them up into about 1/2-inch pieces. Now, in a microwave-safe bowl, add 3/4 cup of chocolate chips and 3/4 cup of butterscotch chips. Add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk to the chocolate chips. And 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk to the butterscotch chips. Microwave for 1 minute. Then stir until fully combined. Now microwave the butterscotch chips for 1 minute. And stir until fully combined. Divide the chopped up Butterfinger bars evenly between both bowls. Then gently stir the pieces in. Now drop the chocolate fudge in a random pattern in the bottom of an 8x8 parchment paper lined pan. Fill in the empty spaces with the butterscotch fudge. Cover with a piece of parchment paper. Then press down until the top is flat. Put the fudge in the fridge for 2 hours. Now remove from the pan. And cut into slices. And there you have it, Butterfinger Fudge. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. Enjoy! Get the full printable recipe in the description below or at officiallyglutenfree.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.